Hello, and welcome back to the Cultivating Mindful Awareness series. It's wonderful to have you here for day 5, the final day of our 5-day meditation practice. Keep in mind you can continue with me on Patreon, where I'm offering a bonus day 6 walking meditation. See the link below to join my Patreon community. Yesterday we explored the noting method, watching where our attention went and labeling the arising thoughts, feelings, and sensations. Today we'll take our practice to a deeper level by exploring the nature of awareness itself and discovering the spacious sky within. We'll begin by anchoring our attention to the breath, just as we have in our previous sessions, to help us settle into the present moment and to cultivate a stable, clear, and calm attention to take with us through the meditation. Then we'll move beyond observing thoughts, feelings, and sensations so that we can experience the vastness of awareness, the space in which those contents arise, linger, and pass away. So in this moment, let's practice together. If you haven't already, please sit well, with an upright spine and a relaxed torso. You can also lie down if sitting is uncomfortable. Just try your best to maintain a gentle alertness. Feel free to take a few deep, mindful breaths, inviting a sense of softness into your body. Breathing in deeply, and as you breathe out, allow your whole body to release and relax. Repeat this a few more times, gently softening your shoulders, your face, the eyes, your forehead. Bring some softness to your jaw as you separate the lower row of teeth from the upper row. Choose to gently redirect your attention away from distractions, thoughts, to-do lists. Set down the mental heaviness. You don't need to carry it through this meditation. Give yourself permission to let go. Let's set an intention to be fully present and to do this practice wholeheartedly to the best of our abilities. Now gently bring your concentrated attention to your breath. Observe the natural rhythm. The gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly. Notice the inhale's coolness as you breathe in through the nose, and the warmth of the exhale as you breathe out. Simply settle into being here, experiencing the peaceful flow of your breath, settling more deeply into this moment. Now connect with your inner observer, the part of you that is watching your breath. And notice the distinction, how you, the observer, are different from what is observed, in this case, the breath. Using the breath as an anchor to the present moment, and staying connected to your inner observer, notice all the things passing through your awareness, whether they are thoughts, feelings, or body sensations, without getting caught up in them. recognize and experience this observing presence. Simply watch the activities of the mind, like clouds passing across the sky. Watch them without being them, without getting distracted by them, knowing that you are the sky, not the clouds. You may notice memories, desires, expectations, or aversions arise. Create the space to observe them as mere objects of the mind and watch how they arise, linger, and eventually pass away. Allow all experiences to come and go without trying to control or change anything. We're not needing or seeking or trying to be anything. There is nothing to have except for what is already here. Simply receive each moment as it unfolds. If you find yourself distracted or caught up in the contents of your mind, try to let go and come back to the breath, your anchor to the present moment. And when you feel ready, come back to observing the activities passing through the field of your awareness. Notice what is passing through your sky. Now gently turn your attention to the space between your thoughts, feelings, and sensations. And notice how these objects of the mind arise from this space, like clouds appearing and dissolving in the sky. Your awareness is like a vast open sky, and these gaps between the activities of the mind offer a glimpse into the nature of awareness. For example, think the word observing, and then notice the pause before and after the thought. Your awareness, like the sky, is limitless. Feel the quiet stillness in the pauses. Your thoughts, feelings, and sensations are the clouds passing through the sky. The sky remains constant, unaffected by the passing clouds. Remember, you are the sky, not the clouds. Sense into the boundless nature of awareness, this space that holds everything. Continue to connect with your inner observer as you watch the activities of the mind, and then also the gaps between them. If your attention wanders away, gently bring it back to feeling and following the breath, and to observing. Allow yourself to directly experience the spaciousness of awareness. Allow yourself to surrender and rest in the spaciousness of the sky within. A gong sound will signal the end of your practice. Feel really good about practicing with me today. I hope you can take this awareness of your inner sky with you so that you can feel peace and spaciousness throughout your day. We conclude our 5-day journey into cultivating mindful awareness. Feel a sense of accomplishment for showing up and practicing these past 5 days. Consistently cultivating focused attention and expanding your awareness from the body to the vastness of your inner sky. For those who wish to continue, I'll see you on Patreon for the bonus Day 6 walking meditation to help you experience mindful movement. The link is below. Thank you deeply for sharing this time with me. Wishing you all a wonderfully mindful day.